Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost and today I'm going to be showing you my route on Blizzard with extra commentary so that it is a little bit easier to follow and pay attention instead of just me like speeding this up and then you don't get anything from it. If I make any pauses or if my voice sounds weird, it is because I am sick right now and my throat hurts very bad. So yeah, I just wanted to let you know that I am going to be doing the reset method, so I'm just going to be checking the hairs, and I know a lot of you do Blizzard differently or don't even have a route on Blizzard, but this is just mine. There are many different ways to do Blizzard. So first I start by going to whatever way that was, and then I go in this cave, and the horse can, the farthest it can spawn is to that little like that slope right there, kind of where those icicles or whatever they're called are. That's how far it can spawn, but typically, for me at least, it spawns here. Or in, hold on. Or right here. Or right here. I don't typically see it back there, but I know that it can spawn back there. So, yeah. And then I come over here and I go all the way across. I go across the little houses, past them, and go to this like strip that isn't up elevated. There we go. And then there will be a horse. Typically it will spawn over there or over here. Just check this whole strip, and if you don't see it, get your lasso out. I do recommend keeping your lasso out on Blizzard because the horses can spawn in many different places. And sometimes it is a little hard to see them, especially for me because I'm blind and I hate, so you just come up there. You can either go up this way or you can take the long way. I try to usually take the shorter way. It doesn't matter. You can go up there and then come around, or you can again take the short way. Sometimes it's harder for me to take the short way, so I just go the long way. And then this horse can spawn either here. It usually spawns on this lower platform, but sometimes it'll spawn up here, right here. So yeah, that is one spawn. There are 12 spawns on Blizzard, so just if you keep your lasso out, make sure that you have used 12 lassos and you're getting all the horses so you aren't missing an IUH. Then this horse can spawn either in there or up on that one, like that little elevated part. I'll show you when we get up there. And I'll be referring to the Mustang because there is another spawn over here. So when I say the Palomino Mustang can spawn over there, yeah. This spawn can either spawn here. There are like 4 different places for it to spawn. Oh my goodness. Okay. It can either spawn right there, down there, up here, which it typically does not spawn up there, or here. It usually spawns here for me. And then the Palomino Mustang can also spawn. It can spawn in there or up here. Then we come up here. There are 2 spawns up here. There's a horse. It can either spawn there, and I'll show you, don't worry, where it is now, or it can spawn all the way back over this little bridge thing. And there is also a little way to get up here, like from where we just were. So it can either spawn there, where it is now, or where I showed you first. And then this horse can spawn up on that high, like, stack, like, it's, like, right there. It's kind of like that square up high, you know. I'll put arrows there so you know what I'm talking about. And then obviously it can spawn here, or it can spawn right here. Oh, okay. Anyways, I will be doing this as a series. So first, obviously, we're doing Blizzard. That horse can spawn here, right where it is, or behind the giant pile of snow. Like I said, just keep your lasso out to see it. And then there's one more horse up here. And then we have 2 more horses left. And okay, that horse can either spawn here, where it is now, or over there. Again, I'll put arrows so that you guys know what I'm talking about. But it's like right in that place. This horse can spawn over in that corner, which just tricks me a lot, or it can spawn here. And then the last horse, it changes a lot for me. There isn't a typical place where this one spawns. Okay, it spawned there. It can either spawn right there, or in that little like alcove or whatever. And that's it. It can just spawn there. So this is a shorter one, but a lot of people were asking to see my routes. And I might do like 2 in 1 not tomorrow, but like for the next one, because Royal and Forest are really easy and really fast, so that might be coming. So I just wanted to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helped you on learning your route for Blizzard. Again, this is just my route. Please don't come at me for going a certain way that you don't go, or going like a different way than you go. That's just the way I do it, and it's efficient for me. So yeah, and I hope you all have a very, very good day. Bye, guys.